And to date, the thing that brought down the Kenyan economy was Goldenberg. Show me a single line where Jirongo was involved in Goldenberg. None. If you want to talk about Jirongo's involvement with money and business, I built Hazina Estate with borrowed money. The bank closed down. From 300 million, I was asked to pay 1.6 billion. I'm in the process right now of settling 1 billion shillings.
A billion?
Yes, most of it has been paid. It is there, lying on an escrow account with the Central Bank of Kenya, pending transfer of certain items. And I'll have just possibly 200 million to pay. And remember, the justice system was used to terrorize those you don't want on the political scene. It happened to very many, including retired President Kibaki's bank, Continental Bank, a bank that gave me my first loan of 70,000, was put under, not because it was not doing the right business, but economic warfare against perceived political opponents was a way of silencing them.
But then people say that you were very close to former President Daniel Arap Moi. You were very close.
No doubt we were close, but I would give somebody a medal if he came up and told me, Cyrus Jirongo, you are a very close friend of retired President Moi, and he gave you this allotment, you went and sold to NSSF, what they used to do, and loot money there at exorbitant prices. I would want somebody to show me something of that sort. This is stereotyping. And you know, when assassination, or when they want to explain an economic crime, what they will normally do, they'll create that propaganda. So Jirongo was being given, of course, you want to kill a dog, give us a bad name. And of course, you kill a dog to help you explain something that you've done. And you're explaining because you want to escape the crimes you've done. I was shocked. Somebody looting 158 billion shillings in the Republic of Kenya was left off the hook by one justice, I think Macau.
And they're still walking the streets.
And they're still walking the streets. And everybody wants to make it look like YK92 was involved.